Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to merge two Gmail accounts. So let's go to Gmail first. I'm choosing one to merge with another, like this one. This is the primary mail, so I'm opening it. Gmail, log into Gmail account first with your primary account. Then you'll find here settings, go settings, see all settings. Then you'll find here accounts and import, this one. Click on this, scroll down and you can see here add another email address. Click on this and you have to write here the email address, secondary email address. I'm just pasting my secondary email here. Then click on next step, then go for send verification. The Google has sent verification to your secondary mail. Just check on it. I'm opening my second email, going to Gmail to check the verification code. Okay, here I have found. You can see the verification code is here. You just simply click on this link and click on confirm. Confirmation success. Alright, now here you can see close window. Click on close window and window will be closed. Now go to second email address. This is the second email address. Sorry, this is the primary. Where the secondary is this one. You can just remove it. Go to settings, see all settings from your secondary email, obviously. Okay, then you'll find here forwarding and this POPIMAP. Then you have to write and click here add a forwarding email address. Then just click here the first email address. Okay, hold on. Click here the first email address. What would be the first email address? This one. You can copy it from here, paste it, click on next. Now just click on proceed. Now a confirmation link has sent. Check your this mail, the first mail. Is this one? Not this one. Okay, you can see here the link. Click on this, click on confirm. You'll find here one verification code, but I didn't find it yet, so I'm clicking on this recent email, remove address, or verify. Okay, you can see here keep these Gmails copy in the inbox. Just do it, and this mail will be your forwarding mail. Now you must click on this save changes. If you click on save changes, it will be notice will be end in 7 days. Okay, so guys, this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.